Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for an episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today we're going to do like a steak stir fry. It's not really a recipe, it's just a meal that I put together that I make every once in a while when I want something different. So the ingredients can vary depending on what's going on, what I got in the fridge, but I think it's good, so I figured I'd share it with y'all. So let's get over here and I'll get to cooking for you. All right, y'all. I don't really have like a full recipe for this. It's basically something I just throw together. But we're going to start out here. We got about a pound of stir fry meat, beef. I've had it in the Ziploc bag there overnight, and I put soy sauce, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and just a little bit of salt in there with it. So we're gonna just get that started up, get it cooking, and then we'll add the rest of our stuff to it and have a yummy meal. So let me get this cooking and we'll bring you guys right back. All right, y'all, we got that beef kind of stewing up there a little bit, so we're gonna go ahead and add a little bit more flavor to it. We're gonna add some ground ginger, which fresh ginger is actually better, but I don't have any fresh ginger, so we're gonna add just a couple shakes of red pepper, crushed red pepper, just to give a little bit of flavor, or a little bit of spice. And then a little bit later we'll add some pure sesame oil, and one more ingredient a little bit later. Once this gets cooked up, we'll add that too, and this will be delicious. We got our peppers and onions over here just chilling, and we're gonna add some mushrooms to it too, because that's what I want. If you don't like mushrooms, you don't like the red pepper, you know, anything like that, you don't gotta add that. But you know, so all right, throw the lid back on here and finish cooking this up. All right, y'all, that beef's almost done, so we're gonna go ahead and add our peppers and onions. Let them saute up along with our mushrooms. Got all that in there. Get that stuff all mixed around there. Get them down in that juice so they get some of that flavor. So, all right. Just a clump of onion, so let that melt down. And at this point, get a little bit of tanginess. We're gonna add it. Now I like to use rice wine vinegar, but all I have is some red or white wine vinegar, but it'll still do the same effect. Just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of that tang. So, all right. So that get that all warmed back up, get it back up to temperature. We're gonna put the lid back on it and just let this stuff simmer basically until everything's warm. The vegetables are warm through. So yeah, we'll let that go and come back in just a little bit. So here we go. All right, y'all, got most of that liquid all cooked down on there. So now we're just gonna add a few drops of the sesame oil, just to give it the flavor of the sesame oil, which is a very, very nice flavor. So sesame oil goes a long way. So got tossed in there. The smell, y'all. I wish we had smell-o-vision. So, okay. We're going to shut the heat off. And the last thing we're going to add, because we already got the vinegar in there for the little tang, we're going to add just a little bit of honey for that sweetness. Excuse me. So, get that mixed around in there. Now that'll give it that sweet, that little bit of sweet, and it goes very well with the ginger and the garlic and the vinegar and the hot pepper. Remember, we put the red pepper flakes in there. So, all right. Y'all, if you could smell this right now. Oh, man. So, all right. I'm going to let that sit. Just cook up a little, or, just chill a little bit. Now, you can make up some rice. Have this over rice. Have it just plain on a plate or a bowl. Myself, I'm going to make me some rye bread toast. I'm going to have some sandwiches. So, let's get this, let this sit a few minutes. I'm going to make my toast up, and we'll have a taste test. Alright, y'all. Got my sandwiches made up there. So, we're going to go do our taste test. So, y'all hang out. We'll get a biting. Alright, y'all. Got my sandwich. The steak and peppers and everything on there. So, I'm going to dig in. Y'all, them flavors meld together just so well. Got that little bit of sweetness from the honey. You can taste that sesame oil. Sorry, had a little brain fart there. Just a little touch of the red pepper and the ginger. The smell, you can smell the ginger. A little bit of a taste of the ginger. That is awesome, y'all. Y'all need to experiment and try stuff like this, because like I said, this ain't never the same. Or sometimes I got broccoli I throw in there, some carrots maybe, green onions, whatever I have in the fridge, or whatever I pick up at the store. That's the best thing about this kind of recipe. You tailor it to the taste that you're wanting right then. So, but with the basic, the sesame oil, the honey for the sweetness, the red pepper, the ginger, the soy sauce, and that vinegar. That vinegar, it hides in there. You don't really taste the vinegar. You just taste that little bit of a bite. But it's balanced with the honey. Can't explain it, but y'all you need to try it. So, anyways, I'm rambling. But I love y'all. Hope you're gonna try something like this. Get experimental. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you come up with. So that's all I got for the evening. So appreciate y'all. Love y'all. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. And bon appetit.